Get Good with Money by Tiffany the Budgetnista Aliche, Economic Crisis. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. I am the child of Nigerian immigrants and am grateful for the financial knowledge my parents passed down to me and my sisters. However, in 2009, I found myself in a difficult situation as I had accumulated a significant amount of credit card debt due to a failed get-rich-quick scheme. It was a tough time, but I learned a valuable lesson about managing my finances and avoiding risky ventures. As Aliche struggled to recover from her financial setback, the emotional toll weighed heavily on her. However, she used her experience to help others by providing personal finance advice to friends. She eventually established her brand and business within a year with her growing expertise. She advises not to believe that having more money equals experiencing more happiness. It is suggested to create a budget by categorizing monthly income and expenses. If there is no surplus at the end of the month, it could mean overspending or under-earning. Aliche recommends ways to manage your finances effectively. She suggests setting up 2 checking and savings accounts to allocate funds for emergencies and investments while encouraging you to automate your bill payments. This can help you reduce expenses and better control your monthly income and expenses. As squirrels prepare for winter by saving food, Aliche advises you to create an emergency fund to cover your 6-month expenses. You are making a budget for unexpected events, such as a noodle budget for when times get tough. Aliche's most helpful advice is to evaluate each purchase by asking yourself if you genuinely need it, love it, like it, or want it. This will help you make more informed decisions and manage your finances effectively. I hope you found the information about Get Good with Money by Tiffany the Budgetnista Aliche. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.